Hey everyone, you've checked the formula, you've checked it twice, the lookup value is right there, the table is right there, but Excel is looking you dead in the eye and saying NA, error. It's enough to make you want to throw your keyboard out the window, but before you do that, stop, because 99% of the time your formula actually isn't broken. Your data is lying to you. Today I'm going to show you the two invisible killers of the Vlookup and XLOOKUP function. These two fixes solve almost every error I see in my comments section. It's easy to master, very quick, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's get to my example on screen where I've built a VLOOKUP formula in column E, and there's a couple of errors in there. Now the first issue we usually find is a character-based issue. So if you look at my VLOOKUP formula, it's accurate. We're looking up cell B3, Alice Johnson, in the range of J2 to L13. We want to bring back column 2, which is department, and 0 or false after that last comma means that we want an exact match. I press enter, it works fine. Now it's working fine except for Edward Norton and Alice Johnson on row 7 and 8. Now it's working fine for Alice Johnson on row 3 and Edward Norton on row 18, but why is this the issue here? And I'll show you the same. If we build an XLOOKUP function, it's going to be the same thing. So we'll bring back region equals XLOOKUP, open brackets. We're going to look up cell B3, comma. We're going to look it up in range J3 to J13, lock the cells, and we want to bring back something from L3 to L13 and close the brackets, and you can see it's brought back the region, and we double click that down and the error is the same. So XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, the error is the same. Now the main reason you'll find with character based or name based lookups is there's just something wrong with either the lookup that you're looking here or the lookup table. And I've clicked on Edward Norton, that cell, B7. If I go up into the formula bar, you can see there's a space after Norton. And sometimes you copy and paste from CSV files or you've typed it in wrong or quickly. And that is the most common issue you find when it comes to errors, when everything else looks normal and correct. So let's get rid of that space and press enter. And you can see it simply worked fine. Now let's do the same for Alice Johnson. We'll go up there and I've clicked at the right and there's no space at the end. So what's the error this time? Now it's the same, but in this instance, there's actually two spaces between Alice and Johnson, not just the one. So it's really hard to exactly find out what the problem is sometimes, where the spaces are or where the issues are. So instead of sometimes going through them one by one, especially if you've got multiple errors or heaps of them in your table, I simply go into cell G and I'm just going to build a formula which is based on the trim function. And what that does is just get rid of any unusual spaces. And Excel knows this. They get rid of double spaces, spaces at the end, spaces at the beginning. So equals trim, open brackets, select your cell B3, close the brackets and press enter. I'm just going to drag that formula down. And now it's got rid of all those spaces and weird and wonderful errors within those names. We'll copy that. I'm just going to paste the values straight over that original list by 1, 2, 3. And you can see now those formulas are working fine. So that's it. That's the error that finally appears for most of the comments I ever see about errors in VLOOKUPs and XLOOKUPs, where everything else seems fine, especially when it comes to character-based VLOOKUP formulas. The second most common issue are number-based errors. So sometimes instead of looking up names, you're going to look up some numbers. So in my instance on the right-hand side, I've got some employee IDs and I want to bring back their name and department from this table and this employee list table. So let's do that. I'm going to build the VLOOKUP formula. I'm not going to do the XLOOKUP, but just remember the errors are the same between the two types of lookups. So VLOOKUP, I'm going to look up cell N4, comma. We're going to look it up in this table array of I3 to L13. Going to lock those cells. This instance, we're going to bring back the name, which is column 2. We can type in 0 for that exact match and press enter. And there's an error. If I drag it down, it seems to be fine for 1008 and 1009, but not for 1007. 1007 is in this list. I can see it right here. Should be bringing back George Miller. Now, the main reason that you'll find when it comes to XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP number-based errors is the formatting. Again, if you copy and paste from CSV or somewhere else, the formatting might come as text instead of numbers. or the other way around. So you can see here there's a little bit of an indicator that there's little green arrows in the left hand side which are indicating that it's number stored as text. A little pop-up appears. So you can simply go into that. I'm going to hover over that green arrow and convert to number, and that's converted it fine. Because if I go over to the other ones where there's issues, and don't forget these green arrows don't always appear, so it might not be as easy to spot. So I'm going to hover over the whole lot. I'm going to go over here and maybe format as numbers. It didn't work, still an NA. I'm going to format as general. Okay, didn't work. Okay, so how do you otherwise convert these to numbers if you want to do a whole lot at one time? You can highlight the whole range, go up to data in the ribbon, go to text to columns, and simply press finish. And now they've converted them all to numbers. And you can see very easily the Vlookup formula has fixed itself. So now the numbers on this side are based as numbers and in our reference table. So those two errors are what you'll find are the most obvious and most common errors in Vlookup and XLOOKUP. Hopefully this fixed it for you. Let me know in the comments if you're still getting errors and everything else looks fine. See you next time.